What's up guys, this is Eric. Today I'll be restoring my long forgotten computer. As you can tell from the dust, this computer has been neglected for a while. I let it go after I got the Core i5 3470. I got a small form factor Core i5 3470. That's my main computer right now. So that's the reason why I let this guy get to this level. I'm usually a very gentle computer lover, because you know I love computers. But in case you didn't know, now you know. I really love computers. So first thing, I hope my camera can see this. First thing, we're gonna start with just cleaning it and just making sure everything is clean before we try and run it. So I'll disassemble the RAM. There goes the RAM and the hard disk. So I know most of the guys really are very afraid of opening up their computers. As you'll soon find out, I am not one of those people. I believe if I have nothing to lose, I'm gonna open up my stuff. For the case of this computer, it doesn't have warranty, so I'm not losing anything by trying. But it also helps that I'm a seasoned computer maintenance guy. Like, I know my way around the computer, so most of these things might look a bit scary for most guys, because they're like, oh, I'm gonna spoil it, or I'm gonna do something. But this is the hard disk bay. As for me, I'm actually not afraid. I enjoy opening up my stuff, because if I paid for it, I'm gonna want to open it up. So for my initial findings, I think this computer is very dirty, very dirty. So the first thing I'm gonna do is blow it. Make sure it's all clean, it's sparkling clean, sparkling clean, yes. So let me get my blower. Good. Now all we need is a monitor. And we're back. Now, for the moment of truth. Will it light up? We have power. Yes. Now, I'm gonna install a fresh copy of Windows 8.1. I decided 8.1 because I think Windows 10 runs smoothly. Based on my experience, Windows 10 runs more smoothly if you have at least 4 gigs of RAM. And because this is a dual core and we only have 2 gigs, I'm gonna step down a bit and run 8.1. I'm gonna fast forward this in case it's boring, and yeah, you guys can just follow through. And there we go, back as new. We've already booted into Windows, and all there is to it is to just use it now. If you have any question regarding anything I've done, just leave them down below. I'll make sure to reply to every comment. And that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until next time, peace!